We are pleased to show you the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, stability control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.